Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to discuss about a topic. The topic name is interjection. Okay, so let's start the video and know more thing about the interjection. First we talk about the interjection. Okay, so you can see here the word interjection. It is only a word that is the express a certain feeling. Okay, you in a previous chapter when you have to know about the sentence and the part sub part of the sentence, that was the exclamatory sentence, and in exclamatory sentence you know the definition that exclamatory sentence is a strong sudden feeling. Okay, that express a strong sudden feeling is called exclamatory sentence, and there are use a sign of exclamation, so same as the word of the interjection. Okay, so we can say that interjection is only a word. What kind of the word? It is a word of to express a certain feeling. Okay, some only it is only a word that express the certain feeling. Okay, so we can say that interjection is a word or group of words that expresses a certain feeling or emotion of the speaker. Okay, when someone is speaking about his internal feeling, that was the sudden feeling, it may be happiness, sorrow, surprise, etc., or the feeling when we can express and using some of the words, that word is known as a interjection word. For example, you can see here some example like hello, I left my sunglasses at home. Hush, we won. Hooray, what is a horrible smell. Oops, is this Aditi? And ooh, keep quiet. So you can see here some of the word hello, hush, hurrah, oops, and ooh. All these words is known as a interjection word. Why? Because these word express strong sudden feeling. Okay, it is express a strong sudden feeling. What kind of the feeling? It may be happiness, sorrow, surprise, shame, etc., or the word, etc., or the emotion that is using by the words, and all these words known as a interjection word. So you can see some of the example of interjection like a I heard something. Hey, you left me behind. Wow, what a great idea. Oops, I broke the vase. Alas, the great poet passed. Okay, so these word will be the interjection word. Okay, and they have no grammatical relation with any of the other words of the sentence. Okay, such words are known as the interjection words. Clear? So you can see here a definition of the interjection in your textbook. Okay, so here is the definition of interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses a strong, you can see here, interjection is a word that expresses a strong certain feeling or an emotion. Okay, and interjection is not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence. Its only purpose is an exclamation that express an emotion. Okay, it is placed at the beginning of a sentence and is always followed by the an exclamation marks. Clear? So it is the rule of the interjection, and the interjection is a versatile word that is used to express multiple emotions and moods, and it could be used to express surprise, wonder, sadness, happiness, and so on. For example, you can see here example, I did not see you there. So here is the word express the surprise. Okay, and in the below example, what a lovely day. So here is the word express a wonder or admiration. So we can use use the O word, that was the interjection word in a versatile word, that is you to express emotions and moods. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the interjection. So nothing else, it is only a word. Interjection is only a word that express a strong sudden feeling. Okay, and what kind of the feeling it is express the feeling of surprise, wonder, sadness, happiness, and so on. Okay, so here is the important fact. You can see here, eureka is a Greek interjection that means I have found it. Okay, eureka means I have it means we have to found something. Okay, so here is the eureka, and eureka become the famous when Greek scholar Archimedes uttered it when he discovered the physical law of buoyancy. Okay, I hope you all understand. So next is here is the sum of the example of interjection. Read this table to understand the emotions expressed by the different interjection. Okay, so here is the sum of the word that was the using for the interjection word: yippee, bravo, hooray, wow, haha, well done. Yeah, all these words express to the happiness and gladness. Okay, happiness and gladness. When we use these words that was the right in the table, so these words express to the happiness or gladness. And here the below next words are alas, oh, ouch, ah, oh dear, oh no, etc. All these words to express the sadness, pain or grief, pity. Okay, so these words using for the express sadness, pain, grief and pity. And next ah, oh dear me, well, what, good heavens, all these words express to the surprise. Clear? So whatever you can see using of these words in beginning of the sentence, these words will be the express surprise. Okay, and here the oh, okay, this is the express the hesitation. Okay, and hey, he, hello, these are words to express the greeting. Okay, I hope you all understand this and whatever you have to any problem, then you can ask to me. So next we start to solve the book exercise of this. So this is the class 6. Okay, here is the first exercise. Match the sentences in column A with the suitable interjection in column B. So you can read carefully these sentences, and here is the second column, that was the B, and there are given some of the interjection word. Reading these sentences and feel the match and feel the proper words by using in the correct blanks. Okay, so first blanks is dash, we made it to the top. So in this sentence express the happiness, so you can use here hooray. Okay, option number F will be filled in the first sentence, hooray. Okay, you can see the spelling of hooray, HURRAH. Okay, and second is dash, that was a great goal. Okay, so it is the good deeds. Then we have to saying about the bravo. Okay, so bravo word is the correct option, that was the fill into the second option. You can see here spelling of bravo, and it is the fill into the second. Okay, so write down the spelling of bravo. Okay, next is option number third, dash, my wrist hurts. Okay, and in the third you can feel ouch. Okay, option number H is the correct option. Okay, so here you can feel the word ouch. I hope you all understand. Now option number fourth, dash, you are funny. In the fourth you can feel the words haha. Okay, here is the words haha and you can feel it. It means the option number A is the correct option. That was the fill into the fourth option. Okay, haha. Okay, fifth is dash, stop talking and focus on your work. In the fifth you can feel the word option number C, she. Okay, it means stopping someone to stop talk. Okay, and now six is dash, good to see you after so long, and in the sixth you can feel the word hello. Okay, taking the attention of the person. And in the seventh statement is dash, there is a fly in my coffee. So you can feel the word option number Eve. Okay, option number B is the correct word. That was the fill into the seventh option. Okay, and 8 is the dash, what happened to you. Okay, so here is you are asking someone, so you can feel the word oh dear. Option number D is the correct option, and you can feel it in the option number 8. Okay, oh dear. And in the ninth dash, what a gigantic spider. Okay, so in this you can feel case. Okay, case is the correct option. Okay, and in the 10th dash, what a beautiful dress. So you will write down here wow. Okay, wow option number is the correct option, and you can feel here wow. Clear? So it has been completed. And next exercise is identify the emotions expressed in these sentences. Okay, so listen. First you can read the sentence carefully, and then write the related word that was the express the emotions. Okay, so first is oh I hated them fun. So it is the dislike, and you can write down here dislike. Okay, and second is hooray, we won the inter school debates competition. You know very well, it is the express of the joy. So write down joy. Third is ah what a silly mistake, and in the third you can feel it, the word irritation. Okay, irritation. I hope you know the spelling of irritation. And fourth is well done, you deserve the appreciation. So it is the express a gladness. So you can write down here gladness in the fourth option. Okay, now option number fifth, hush the baby is sleeping. So it is the caution. Okay, it is the express the caution. So write down caution. And six is dear me what have you done. Okay, so you can see here this sentence express the surprise. So write down here surprise. Clear? Now seventh is what, how could you do that, and it is express the anger. So write down anger in front of the sentence. And eighth option is bravo, that was a great victory. So it is the appreciation. So write down here appreciation. Clear? I hope you all understand this exercise. Now next exercise, fill in the blanks with the suitable interjection. So in the first you can fill the word wow. Wow, you look fabulous. Okay, and in the second ouch. Okay, ouch I hurt my leg. Okay, it is the express the pain. Okay, hello, it is the taking a tension. So write down hello I am Akshit. Okay, and now fourth, do not make a noise. So it is the here you can use the word she, SHH. Clear? Do not make a noise. And in the fifth option, you will feel the word we missed the last bus. So here is the pain, then you write down alas. Okay, now next six is may I help you. So you can feel here he. Okay, it is taking attention. And in the seventh option, oh no, the tiger is chasing the deer. And in the last one will be the bravo. Okay, bravo is a correct option, and you can feel it with the proper words. So I hope you all understand this book exercise, and in the next video we will meet by taking another video. So bye and thank you for the watching video.